Fire safety. Just take these simple 5 steps to fire safety with Scutum South East. Fill in our simple online form. Tell us about which of our many fire safety features you're interested in finding out more about. We get back in touch. A member of our fire safety team will quickly get back to you to discuss your inquiry in more detail. Free site visit. If it will help decide on the best way to proceed with your inquiry, one of our team will make a free visit to your premises to assess your fire safety requirements. Free quotation. We'll send you a free quotation for the work, and because we always aim to beat other quotes, you can be sure it will be very competitive. We carry out the work. As soon as we can, we'll send an engineer to carry out the required work. That is likely to be very soon if we're carrying out maintenance or supplying fire extinguishers, but we can begin a full alarm system installation in as little as a couple of weeks. Get in touch with Scutum South East today if you would like more information, or fill out our online form now.